What if you could now capture the bigger picture from any angle, allowing your creativity to soar to new heights, unleashing the true potential of possibility? Stunning aerial images, video and panoramics delivered directly to your smartphone. What if all this was possible from a device that fits in the palm of your hand? Introducing ZANO.
Get on top, probably best if you don't look down. Yeah, let it pop, treading fast so you don't just drown. Did you pack the scoop of gear, my dear? You hear that around the town? It's a real wet shindig. Everybody's gonna get the name in lights. High in the sky, we got a chance to win big. Look, a man flying like a hot balloon. That could be us in the golden afternoon. Look, a lady, calm like a baby, strutting the stuff as she gets so crazy. So I was all like, wow, this looks way fun. And my friends were all like, oh, it is, trust me.
Bouncing off the floor, try to catch a little wind. Made it out the door, here I am again. And like what I find, there's a lot to do today. People live right nice, and think about my way. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh.
When we began work on ZANO, our goal was to make aerial photography and video capture truly accessible to everyone. This meant making ZANO small and lightweight, yet durable enough to be taken with you anywhere, intelligent enough so no piloting skills are required, and most of all pricing ZANO at a point that makes it affordable. Here at Talking Group we know exactly what it takes to deliver a first-class product. For years we've been providing solutions in the defence technology sector, specialising in miniature UAVs. We now feel it's time to bring this technology to the consumer.
Inside ZANO we have a gyroscope, accelerometer, magnetometer, high-resolution barometric air pressure sensor, echo-sounding sonar, infrared obstacle avoidance systems, GPS sensor, microphone and speaker. There's a lot of technology to put in a very small package. On top of all of that, the onboard microcontroller has all the data fusing and correction algorithms as well as FIR and IIR filters to actually make that information worthwhile. It allows us to make ZANO gesture-based. You point your phone in a direction, ZANO goes there, it holds its position until you instruct otherwise. It really is that simple.
So why do we need your help? To make ZANO truly accessible to everyone, we need to get the volumes up so the price goes down. It's as simple as that. We're really excited to bring this technology to you guys. We just need some help getting over the